Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we have learnt multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Today we are going to learn multiplication of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Let us discuss with the help of this example. The weight of one box of chocolate is 2543 grams. What is the weight of 3 such boxes? In this question, the weight of one box is given to us and we have to find the weight of 3 boxes. It means we have 3 groups of 2543 grams things. So in this question, we will multiply this number by 3. So let us start doing multiplication of 4-digit numbers. 2, 5, 4, 3. This is the sign of multiplication and we will multiply it by 3. Now this is a 4-digit number. So first of all we will write here places. Ones place, tens place, hundred place and then thousand place. Now we will start doing multiplication from right hand side, that is from ones place. So first of all, first step is do multiply the ones digit. Okay. So 3 into 3 ones. So 9 1. So I will put 9 here. Now our ones place is complete. So we will multiply the tens digit. So multiply the tens digit. 4 tens into 3. 4 3s are 12. So here 12. 2 is at ones place. So I will put 2 here and 1 will be add to next place. Now our tens place is complete. Now move to hundred place. Now multiply the 100 digit. 500 into 3. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. So here 6 at ones place. So here 1 carry. Now complete the thousand place. 2 into 3 6 plus 1 carry. So here 7. So our answer is 7629. Now in this question 2543 is the multiplicand. As you have learned in our previous lecture, what is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. The number by which we are multiplying a number, and this is our product, means the number we are getting our multiplication. So 7629 is product. Now let us discuss some more examples. Suppose we want to multiply 1247 by 6. This is sign of multiplication. We are multiplying this number by 6. Again in the same way, place wise, ones place, tens place, hundred place and then thousand place. So we will start doing multiplication from which side? From right side, that is from ones place. So first of all we will multiply 7 ones by 6. So 7 into 3 42. So here 2 and 4 will add to the next place. Now we will move to tens place. 4 tens into 6. 4 6 are 24 plus 4 28. So I will write here 8 and 2 will add to the 100 place. Now move to 100 place. 2 at 100 place multiply by 6. So 6 2 ja 12 plus 2 14. So here 4 and 1 carry. 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 7. So our answer is 7482. In this question 1247 is multiplicand, 6 is the multiplier and this is our product. Now let us discuss some more examples. Suppose we want to multiply 1640, multiplication sign here and here 9. Now let us start from right side. Ones place, 9 into 0 0. 9 into 4 tens place, here ones place, tens place, then 100 place and then thousand place. Now move to tens place. 4 into 9, 4 tens into 9 36. So here 6 and 3 will add to next place. At 100 place 6 into 9. 6 into 9 you should learn tables first. Okay, 6 into 9, 54. 54 plus 3, 57. So here 7 and 5 will add to 1000 place. 9 into 1, 9 plus 5, 14. So your answer is 14760. So our answer is 14,716. Okay. Now let us discuss some more examples. Suppose you want to multiply 4175 by 8. Okay. Let us start doing multiplication. First of all, write here places: ones place, tens place, hundred place, and then thousand place. Now let us start from ones place. 8 fives are 5 ones into 8. 8 fives are 40. So here 0. 4 will be at 2 next place. Now at tens place, 7 into 8. 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 4, 60. So here 0 and 6 will add to 100 place. Now 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 6. Count on your fingers. 8 plus 6, 14. So here 14, 4, 1 will add to 1000 place. 8 4 ja. Count on your fingers. 4 into 8. Count the table. 8 4 ja, 32. 32 plus 1, 30. So here 33. So our answer is 33,400. Okay. Now let us discuss some more example for better understanding. Let us multiply 2038. This is sign of multiplication by 6. Okay. Now write the places: ones, tens, 100 and then 1000. Start doing multiplication from ones place. 6 into 8, 48. So here 8, 4 will add to tens place. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So here 2 and 2 will add to 100 place. Now 6 into 0. 6 into 0, 0 plus 2. So here 2. At 1000 place, 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 6 into 2. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So here 12. So our answer is 12,228. Okay. Now let us do another example. Suppose we want to multiply 1, 2, 5, 6. Multiplication sign here by 7. Okay. Now start doing multiplication. Write here places: ones place, tens place, 100 place, and then 1000 place. Okay. Now let us start doing multiplication from right side. That is ones place. 7 into 6, 42. So here 2, 4 will add to next place. Now at tens place, 5 into 7. 5 tens into 7, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. So here 9 and 3 will add to 100 place. Now 7 into 2. 7 2 ja, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So here 7, 1 will add to 1000 place. Now at 1000 place, 7 into 1. 7 plus 1. So here 8. So our answer is 8,792. In this question, this is our multiplicand. 1256 is multiplicand. 7 is the multiplier, the number by which we are multiplying the number. And 8,792 is called the product, the answer we are getting after multiplication. In this way, we can do multiplication of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. We have already learned in previous lecture multiplication of 3-digit number by 1 digit. In the same way, we can do multiplication of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. You can see here the procedure is same whether the number is 3-digit or 4-digit. In multiplication, we will always start from right side, that is from ones place. Then after completion of ones place, we will move to tens place. Then after completion of tens place, we will move to 100 place, and after that 1000 place. In this way, the procedure is same. Either the number is 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit. The procedure will always start from right hand side and we will move from right to left.